Vacuum marks, those pesky things. It seems to me that either you love them or you hate them. So carpet nowadays is very, very soft for the most part, and it's amazing to the touch. But if your carpet is soft, it will have a nap and a direction to it, and you will see vacuum marks, and it's not a defect. So we're just going to look at a couple examples here, and I'm going to confess, and please don't hate on me too much, but I personally love vacuum marks because then I've been able to see where I vacuumed, and to me, it's oddly satisfying. Now I know there's the camp out there that hate them, and we respect that. But when you're making a decision to avoid vacuum marks almost completely, you almost have to go with a looped Berber that's stiff and not that soft. So you kind of have to pick your poison. Do you want to be soft and feel good? Or do you want to see vacuum? Like, it's kind of this or that. It's hard to do both. So we're just going to take a look at a couple here. So this carpet here is really thick, really soft, and it feels great underfoot. But if you, here's my vacuum. So if you vacuum it like this, see how it goes lighter? Like that. And then you go the other direction, it goes darker. And that's just the carpet being soft. It's not defective, there's nothing wrong with it. And so you have to know if vacuum marks bother you. And if that's the case, if you come into our flooring store, or if you're in another state and you go into another flooring store, you have to be aware of this, that it bothers you, and you have to tell the people that you're buying carpet from so they can help you. But this is completely normal, and you'll see it when vacuuming. Let's see, did we decide? Yeah, this one, same thing. So you'll see the vacuum marks from light to dark, and that's the same when you vacuum. Okay, so we're gonna look at now a couple other examples where you're less likely to see the vacuum marks. So if you come with me over here. So these are more what you would call a traditional looped Berber, and this is not as soft as the carpet we're just looking at. And so if I move my hand on this to simulate a vacuum mark, obviously you can't feel through the screen yet, and if you can figure out how to do that, you'll become a very rich person. I move my hand on this and you can't see it, and that's how it'll be when you vacuum. But the con to this is it's not as soft. This one, same thing, traditional, more looped Berber. You move your hand on it, you don't see the vacuum marks. And so really at the end of the day, there's no right or wrong answer on whether you like them or you don't like them. You just have to decide what's most important to you. Do you want it thick, soft, and fluffy? You're going to see vacuum marks. If you don't want to see them, really your best bet is to go with something like this. Now, there are some other styles that you see them a little bit less, but you still will see them. And so that's just a discussion that you need to have with either us here at Capell Flooring and Interiors, or with your flooring store, with whomever you are buying carpet. So I hope that answers that question. I'm sure that I'm probably going to get a lot of discussion back and forth on pro vacuum marks and anti-vacuum marks. Really, I don't want to get involved with that too much, other than it's reality. You can't have it both ways 100%. So you kind of have to pick what's most important to you. So I appreciate you taking a moment to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. We'd love to help you with your next carpet purchase here in Meridian, Idaho. Thanks so much.